In this video, I'll show you how to add auto caption in CapCut. First, open the CapCut app on your phone or computer. From the main screen, tap New Project, then select the video you want to edit. After choosing your video, tap Add to import it into the editing timeline. Once your video is loaded, play it quickly to make sure the audio is clear. Auto captions work best when the voice in the video is easy to hear and there is not too much background noise. Next, tap on the video timeline to select your clip. Then go to the bottom menu and look for the text option. Tap Text and then choose Auto Captions. CapCut will now ask you to choose the language spoken in your video. Select the correct language so the captions can be generated more accurately. After that, tap Start, Generate, or Create, depending on the version of CapCut you're using. Now wait for CapCut to analyze the audio and create the captions automatically. Once the process is finished, the captions will appear on your video and also on the timeline as text layers. After the captions are added, review them carefully. Play the video from the beginning and check if the words match what is being said. If you notice any mistakes, tap on the caption text, choose the section you want to fix, and edit the words manually. You can also customize the caption style. Tap the captions, then change the font, size, color, outline, background, or animation. Try to keep the text easy to read, especially if your video will be watched on a phone screen. When everything looks correct, preview the full video one more time. Make sure the captions appear at the right time and do not cover important parts of the video. Finally, tap Export in the top right corner, choose your preferred video quality, and save the finished video to your device. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.